Hi, I'm Mrs. Abbots. I'm subject leader for geography, and this PowerPoint presentation and some testimonials from students will let you know exactly why geography A-level at Herts and Essex is one of the best options for you.
Over the next few slides, I'm going to explain why geography is a fantastic choice of A-level if you join Herts and Essex Sixth Form. Most students have completed GCSE geography, and the A-level is a natural next step in their education. The A-level inspires a love of geography for lifelong learning, which includes connecting natural processes, human behaviour, and a desire to make the planet we live in more sustainable for future generations. The A-level is both relevant and contemporary, including topics as varied as human rights, glaciation, and tectonics. It will give you a skill set for life and make you a very desirable candidate for any future university or employer. It is both a theoretical and practical A-level. All students are offered the chance to attend a 5-day residential, and many complete further fieldwork for their coursework, both within the UK and abroad. According to the Guardian newspaper, geography is the must-have A-level. You will develop a wide range of skills, passion for the world we live in, and a desire to shape the future for generations to come. The department's results are consistently high, with the vast majority of students achieving a minimum of a C grade and a high proportion achieving the top grades of an A or an A star. We have 3 full-time members of staff within the department, all of whom are geography specialists. As subject leader, I lead the department and specialise in physical geography, although I have taught human geography at A-level too. Miss Patel specialises in human geography, and Mr Mitchell, our newest member of staff, specialises in physical geography. It is likely that during the course of your A-level, you will have a combination of all 3 teachers, each delivering content from their own area of expertise. At Herts and Essex, we follow the OCR specification. As you will see on the screen, this is divided into 4 key components. The first 2 units will feel familiar from GCSE, as they offer students the chance to extend and develop both knowledge and skills from a variety of human and physical topics. The first 2 exams are 1.5 hours in length, and marks range from 2-mark data response questions through to a 16-mark essay question designed to test knowledge and understanding whilst analysing and giving opinions on some of the key topics. The geographical debates paper, which is 2.5 hours, is based on 2 in-depth studies, and students are given the opportunity to showcase geographical skills, synoptic understanding, and evaluation of modern-day geographical issues through extended writing. The final component is a piece of coursework based on a topic that each student picks for themselves. The OCR course is designed to provide a balance between human and physical topics. Within the physical paper, the 2 main topics are glaciated landscapes and Earth's life support systems. Both topics consider how processes associated with ice, water and carbon have shaped the planet in the past, the way they continue to influence the planet today, and how people interact with these processes to potentially manage and influence the world of tomorrow. For those of you who are interested in science, this module gives you a fantastic opportunity to appreciate how natural processes both follow and deviate from scientific rules, and how individual locations and human behaviour can enhance and disturb natural cycles. For those of you interested in climate change, Earth's life support systems will give you a deeper insight into current thinking and global and local management. Human interactions covers 3 main topics: changing spaces making places, global migration, and human rights. All 3 topics consider how people perceive the world around them, how policymakers can influence both global and local decisions, and how by working together the future of the human race could potentially be a more equal playing field. Students who take geography with other humanities at A-level are often able to see the connections between subjects such as economics, politics, psychology and ethics, all through the medium of geography. It is real and applied to real locations in real time. Geography also promotes a fusion between the arts and science, all within the context of specific locations. The geographical debates paper looks at the future of food and tectonic issues. Issues of present and future food security, Vulnerability to hazards and how best to manage these issues are all debated and discussed at a deeper level than GCSE. Passionate debates are a regular feature of lessons, and although students don't always agree, they learn to develop an argument, back it up with relevant examples, and appreciate different perspectives on these contemporary issues. All of these skills are essential at university, but also make for well-rounded, passionate, and interesting individuals. The NEA, or non-examined assessment, is planned at the end of Year 12 and then written up in Year 13. It accounts for 20% of the A-level and allows students to specialise in an area of geography which they find most interesting. Although topics such as urban regeneration remain a popular choice, some students decide on topics that have not been taught through the main part of the A-level. Plastic pollution and the impact on oceans, coastal management and the geography of disease have all been covered by students in the past. With freedom of choice, students can tailor their project to something they enjoy, but also a project that is useful for a future course or career. The project also enables students to show they understand the inquiry process, can write up a project of approximately 4,000 words, manage their time, and use both generic and geography-specific ICT and data analysis skills. To this day, field trips remain one of my favourite elements of any geography course. Malham FFC Centre in the Yorkshire Dales, which is pictured on the slide, is our usual destination for A-level. Students get the chance to get out of their comfort zone, observe geography in the real world, cover the required 4 days of fieldwork, and also really get to know the staff and students on the trip. We usually go to Yorkshire in the spring term of Year 12, and students return from the trip with new friendships and a sense of achievement, even if this is just surviving the rain or snow and drinking large amounts of tea and eating plenty of homemade cake. Currently, the school is able to offer subsidy for all students, keeping the cost of the trip to a minimum. When students are setting up their NEA, staff are able to help check that students have the right knowledge, equipment and data collection techniques for a successful piece of coursework. In order to study Geography A-level at Herts and Essex, we ask that students who have done GCSE achieve a grade 6 or above in geography, alongside a 6 in either English language or English literature. We are willing to accept students who have not done GCSE if they have a 6 in English plus a grade 6 in another humanity. If you are in this situation, it would be best to contact me to discuss if you would be a suitable candidate for A-level geography. Other than specific GCSE requirements, we ask that all students are willing to work hard, complete independent study, and have an enthusiasm for the world around them. Every year, geography students combine the A-level with a variety of other subjects, and sometimes geography is the glue that connects the arts and sciences. All students have their strengths and areas to improve in geography, and whether you are mathematical, creative, philosophical, or just someone who is not sure which direction you want to focus on yet, we will help you develop your strengths further and improve any areas that you are finding challenging. Once you have finished A-level geography, really the world is your oyster. Every year we have students go on to take geography degrees, but as an enabling A-level it is recognised by top universities' employers as a fantastic base for future study or the start of a career. We have seen students go on to pursue careers in law, international relations, hazard management, environmental consultancy, finance and business. There really is nothing that geography won't help you do. On the screen is a couple of quotations from 2 of our upper 6 from last year. As you can see, they both loved geography. They are now using their love for geography to fulfil future goals, and both of them have a desire to improve the world we live in. What more could you ask from an A-level? In a moment, you will hear from 2 of our current Year 13s. If you have any further questions about A-level geography, please feel free to contact me and I will be happy to help.
I very much enjoy the collaboration parts of geography, so collective presentations and parts like that. Working as a team, I really enjoy it. So on topics like migration and like human topics, you have to do presentations and putting stuff together like that. is in part of geography I enjoy.
Yeah, I really enjoy that we can see what we learn in the classroom in application. So it's all real current events, as well as we have the physical aspect of it. So we did a field work, so we can actually go out and see everything in real life.
For me, geography is a subject that I find it comes to me quite naturally. So the amount of skills in geography that you pick up, for example, like teamwork and but also working by yourself individually, collecting data and data handling is all big parts of geography that really are quite beneficial to you.
Yeah, it gives us loads of transferable skills. At the moment we're using GIS, which is computer software, and we have teamwork, loads of transferable skills which you may not pick up in other subjects, as well as it gives us essay planning, as well as time management, because it's quite an essay-based subject, which I really enjoy, which we can apply further in EPQ and other subjects. So as geography is a really facilitating subject for university, I'm applying for international relations, a university linked with other subjects, so with business management. I'm also looking into human geography, just pure human geography at university.
So I'll be applying to university for finance investment, and you probably think that that's not many links between geography, but there's parts of globalization and how the world works, flows of money are parts of geography, and there's so many aspects of geography that can be placed around all other subjects. So